Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change, unlock, and enter home screen animation on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. In settings, scroll down and go to dynamic effects. Okay, tap this. Here in dynamic effects, you can see the unlock and enter home screen animation. Okay, tap this. And now here in unlock and enter home screen animation, you can see the option. Okay, you can change into fly out or fly in or scroll to the left for more. And also you can set into no dynamic. And okay, I decide to change into fly in. After you select, tap the apply button below. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully applied. And okay guys, okay, so that's it. And okay, we have successfully changed the unlock and enter home screen animation on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.